Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in my Christmas Binder Savings series. Y'all, we are getting to the end. I think this will probably be the second to last video in this series for the year because I've already started my Christmas shopping. I'm hoping we will reach our goal. I believe we're like $102 away from reaching my Christmas goal of $2,000, which y'all, starting to shop, you realize it just does not stretch the way it used to. But that's okay. Oh my gosh, so sorry guys, I had to cough. So we'll be working with $100 today. I did bring out, y'all look at my new cash tray I got from Savings with Grace. I love it. I did bring it out because I'm always struggling with my money getting disorganized while we're playing. So I thought this would be a great way to keep it organized so I can just grab what I need without it being a mess. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. If you are new, welcome. Oh, and then I got this beautiful dashboard from Grace too. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm working with 6 Christmas savings challenges. We have some scratch-offs, we have some roll-in saves, just a mixture of different savings challenges. And I roll and we roll and we play. So we either roll and put some bills in, or we roll and we scratch and put the money in. So let's go ahead and get started. I have missed doing this. Okay, so let me take out, all right, we're gonna use my 6-sided dice and let's roll. Number 2. I'm gonna roll and see how much. Put $4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1. Number 1 is actually a new one, and it is a roll and save. This is from Beezy's Things. So let me grab my marker. All right, let's roll. Oh, we're putting in 6. All right, that is good. All right, how is everyone doing? Have you guys finished shopping for Christmas? Have you started? Okay, number 6 is another roll and save. This is from Yancy, and we're putting in $2. Last time I accidentally forgot to write the 2, but I caught it during my editing, and so that was good. Number 4, so this is 5 and 4. All right, this one, I'm putting in $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I am hoping, number 3, I will finish the twins shopping this week. 1, 2, 3, 4. We shall see. I took a trip. Number 5, I took a trip back to Virginia where they have a lot of older cousins. $6. Let me see. Hold on. Oh, and I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put in a 10. They have a lot of older cousins, so they were playing with their toys and stuff. Y'all, my babies were riding the scooter at my sister's house like they've been riding their entire lives. Like, I was like, I didn't even know y'all could ride a scooter. So it was fun getting to see them play. Oh, I got 2 5s. Let's turn that in for a 10. Play with other toys because it helped me get an idea of what to get them. Oh, good. Number 5. This is our scratch and save. This is from Yancy. Okay, let me get my scratching tool. All right. Oh, so number 1. Oh, $10. All right, Yancy. I'm really liking working with the tray. It's much, much cleaner. All right, number 1 is roll and save. So let's see. Oh, we got a 2. Wait, why did I put a 10 in here, y'all? Oh, I put the 10. Wait a minute. Y'all, I messed up. I messed up. Okay, hold on. No. Or did I roll and not put it in there? Now, what did I do? What did I do? Because why do I have a 10? I should have $8 in this one. Uh-oh. But then I think I'm missing money out of this one. You know what? I think I took the 5 out. Okay, hold on, y'all. I messed up. So, why do I have... Okay, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, y'all. I'm going to just have to fix this. It's okay. It's going to be okay. The goal is just to save. Alright, so we should have $8 in this one. And we will just keep the 10 in here because, y'all, it's not going to hurt. Okay. I don't know what I did, but again, the goal is to save. So, and that's what we're doing. All right, number 3. All right, 1, 2, and 3. All right, $2. Let's see. $2. 1. So let me do this first, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn that in for 5. Yeah. I'm trying to make it a little bit cleaner when I'm switching out money, so I know exactly what I'm touching. Number 5 is our scratch and save from Yancy. So hopefully you guys can see. Oh yeah, this is number 1, which will be this one. Oh, $8. I have no idea how much this one saves, so this will definitely be a fun surprise. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Number 6 is roll and save. All right. We got $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn that in for 5. Okay. Number 1. Right, back to our roll and save. All right, putting in $3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Number 2. All right, just gonna roll. All right, $5. Number 1. All right, roll and save again. Oh, $6. Wow, this money is going quickly, y'all. We're getting some high numbers today, though. All right, number 6. Our roll and save from Yancy. $2. Okay. Boom. 4. So 6, 5, and then 4. $2. 1, 2. Number 2. Oh, okay. I'm like, where's the savings challenge for number 1? Oh, $6. All right. Number 4. So 2, 3, then 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all, we are really getting low on money. Number 1. Back to our roll and save. I don't want any IOU there. Oh, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got $3 left. Getting a lot of 6s on the savings challenge. Oh, number 6. Our last roll and save. All right. $1. Ah! Okay, now I'm nervous. Number 4, so 5. At least it's not our scratch off. Ooh, $4. And I only have $2. So we're gonna have an IOU of $2 for this one. And I did bring out my cute little IOU card I have. So we owe $2 to this one the next time I play. All right, so I'm gonna stick this in here so I don't lose it. And so let's see what we did today. All right. So first up is this roll and save from Beezy's Things. And this, today it got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, $23. That is great. So I think whatever we finish the next time is just what we're gonna finish. We may not complete them, and that's okay, because again, I think I'm going to reach my goal before. I don't need to finish all of these to reach my goal. So next is this Wet Bandits Savings Challenge. This is from Sassy Peanut Budgets. And today we added 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, that is good. All right. Oh, let's see what we can mark off. Oh, let's do, what did I do with my marker? Oh, put my marker away. We got 25 today. I hit up a lot of the big numbers. Oh, let's do the 11, the 9, and 5. 25. So it looks like we have an 8, a 3, a 6, and a 2 left. Like, oh, this is all the money. All right, so total, I'm about to confuse myself. Total in this Wet Bandits, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $69. All right, this next one is from Sarah, Budgeting Mom of Girls. This is her Merry Christmas. And today we added $6. We had a $1 rollover, but wait, let me see. I need my other glasses for a second. Oh, we can mark off a 5. So let's do that. We'll just have $2 and rollover. This will save 100. Okay, so we'll just have $2 and rollover. So we added 20, 30, total we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Yep, perfect. So we have $30 left to finish this one. Maybe I'll increase my amount next time. I'm not sure, we'll see. Okay. And this, yeah, this is right. Okay. We have a $2 IOU, but today in this one is, oh, I forgot to pull the Savings Challenge out. This is from Budget with Teachers. So today we added 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, wait a minute. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh, we're so close to finishing. Ah, okay. This will save $64. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61. So we're gonna have we have an IOU and we have an extra $1. Just a lot going on this one. Okay, let me grab my red marker. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Y'all, we are $3. So even though I owe 2, still need like $1 more to finish this one. So after we do pay back the IOU. So that's awesome. Okay. Next, let me turn this way. Next is our scratch and save from Yancy at Budgeting My Debts. And we added $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 into this one. We don't know how much this will save. So, okay. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61. Wow. Go Yancy. All right, and then the last one is our roll and save from Yancy, and today we added $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. So, and this one total, we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and we have 3 more rolls to finish this one. So I don't know, guys. I may have to increase the number I'm doing. Now I'm like, really want to finish. I do. Okay. So that is awesome. We didn't finish any today, but we're getting so close. And this binder is getting thick. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, bye.